This is the question number 24. Here it is given 2 to the power x equal to 3 to the power y equals to 6 to the power minus z. And you have to prove that 1 plus 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z equals to 0. So since each of the terms are equal, so what we'll do, we'll write it as 2 to the power x equals to k. So this is the base, this is the exponent. Whenever it will be coming to this side, this x will become 1 by x whenever it will be changing its side. So we will write it as 2 equals to k to the power 1 by x. Similarly, 3 to the power y will also be equals to k because all the terms are equal. So 2 to the power x, 3 to the power y and 6 to the power minus z all will be equals to k. Now let's change 3 to the power y equals to k. So we'll write 3 equals to k to the power 1 by y. And 6 equals to k to the power minus 1 by z. So as this has changed side, it in the opposite side it will become its reciprocal minus 1 by z. Now what is the relation between 2, 3 and 6? We can write 6 equals to 2 into 3. So now just put the value 6, value is 6, k to the power minus 1 by z. So k to the power minus 1 by z equals to k to the power 1 by x into k to the power 1 by y. Now k to the power minus 1 by z equals to, this powers will be added. So we can write it k to the power 1 by x plus 1 by y. Now here the base is same, so the exponent will also be same. So minus 1 by z equals to 1 by x plus 1 by y. This implies 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z. Side change, sign change. So all will be coming to this side and it will be equals to 0. Now this is the question number 25. Here it's given 2 to the power x equal to 3 to the power y equals to 12 to the power z. And you have to prove that x equals to 2yz by y minus z. So here also all the three terms are equal. So 2 to the power x equals to k, 3 to the power y is also k and 12 to the power z is also k. We'll suppose it. All the terms equals to k. So if 2 to the power x equals to k, this implies 2 equals to k to the power 1 by x. Whenever the x will come to the opposite side, it will become the reciprocal. So 2 will be equals to k to the power 1 by x. Now 3 will be equals to k to the power 1 by y. And 12 will be equals to k to the power 1 by z. Now 12's prime factorization if you do, then you will be getting it as 12 equals to 2 into 2 into 3. So that means we can write it as 12 equals to 2 square into 3. Now k to the power 12's value we will put. 12's value we had taken it as k to the power 1 by z. So we'll write it as k to the power 1 by z. 2. 2's value we got it as k to the power 1 by x. So we'll write it as k to the power 1 by x square into k to the power 1 by y. Now simplify. This implies k to the power 1 by z equals to k to the power 1 by x into 2 means 1 2s are 2. So it will become 2 by x into k to the power 1 by y as it is. Now here same base we found. So k to the power 1 by z equals to k to the power 2 by x plus 1 by y. Now since the base is same, so we can say that the exponent will also be same. Here both are having the base k. This is also k, this is also k. So what can we write? We can write it as 1 by z is equals to 2 by x plus 1 by y. Or we can also write it as 2 by x plus 1 by y is equals to 1 by z. So similarly we have written it 2 by x plus 1 by y equals to 1 by z. Now since you have to find the value of x, so we will try to separate out x here. So here 2 by x will be equals to what? 1 by z minus 1 by y. So similarly written, 2 by x is here equals to, this is equals to 1 by z minus 1 by y. Now 2 by x, if you take the LCM, it will become yz. So now it's y minus z. So this implies, now just make the reciprocal because you have to find the x here. So x by 2 is equals to yz by y minus z. So this 2 have, if we bring the 2 over here, so what we'll get, 1 by x equals to, this y minus z will be as it is, but this 2 will come to the denominator. So y minus z equals to 1 by x equals to y minus z by 2yz. So now to find out the x, we have to just make the reciprocal. So x will be equals to 2yz by y minus z. Now question number 26 is 3x square to the power 0. You have to find the value. So anything to the power 0, its value will be 1. Now xy to the power minus 2. So how can we write it? X to the power minus 2 into y to the power minus 2. So if we simplify this, what we will be getting? Since the power is negative here, so to make it positive, we will just do the reciprocal. 1 by, this is x square, y square. And this is minus 27 a to the power 9 whole to the power 2 by 3. Now how to simplify this? Minus 27, we have to see, do the prime factorization of it. So 27's prime factorization will be getting it as 3's cube. Since negative is there, so that means 27 means it's minus 3's cube. And a to the power 9, so we can write it as a cube whole cube. So the purpose is to bring all in us the same common power. So since 27 minus 27 is the 3's cube, so we have written this is 9, and we know that 3 3s are 9. So it has to be written like this, minus 3 a cube whole cube power 2 by 3. So minus 3a cube written as it is, and this 3 into 2 by 3. So this 3 and 3 will be cancelled. So it will become minus 3a cube whole square. Now square to be done in all terms. So minus 3 square into a to the power, this power just get multiplied, 3 to the 6. And minus 3 square means 9, a to the power 6. This will be the answer. Now question number 27 is, here the value of a is given 3 and b is given minus 2. You have to find the value of a to the power a plus b to the power b. So just substitute the value. A means 3. So 3 to the power 3. Wherever 3 is written, just put it. Wherever a is written, just put 3. So 3 to the power 3 plus, and b's value is minus 2. So it is minus 2's square. Now 3's cube means we know it's 27, and since the power is negative, so we can make it 1 by minus 2 square. Now it's 27 plus 1 by minus 2 square means minus 2 into minus 2. So it will become plus 1 by 4. And since this is the entire whole number and this is the proper fraction, so directly we can write 27 whole 1 by 4. Next is a to the power b plus b to the power a with the same values of a and b. So a's value was 3 and b's value was minus 2. Plus again b's value was minus 2 power 3. Now 3 to the power minus 2, first make the power positive by making the reciprocal. So it's 1 by 3 square and minus 3 times. So the answer will be in minus. So minus, and 2 to the power 3 is equals to 8. 2 into 2 into 2. 3 times you have to multiply it. Now equals to 1 by 3 square means 1 by 9 minus 8. Now take the LCM. So 9. So numerator 1 minus 9 8s are 72. So 1 minus 72, it's minus 71 by 9. Now it's a improper fraction. So convert it into mixed fraction. So answer will be minus 7 whole 8 by 9.